Proclamation recognizing October 23rd to 29th as the City of Carson 16th Annual Red Ribbon Week for Substance Abuse Prevention and Awareness Celebration. Celebrate life.
Yes, we have Paul Dillenback, a co-founder of Transformation Cares. We did reach out to Richard. He didn't respond back to us. We know that when we usually see Red Ribbon Week, we do see Richard, but we got Paul, Transformation Care. A proclamation recognizing October 23rd through the 29th, 2002 as the City of Carson's 16th Annual Red Ribbon Week for Substance Abuse Prevention and Awareness Celebration. Celebrate life drug-free. Whereas the Red Ribbon Week campaign is the oldest and largest drug prevention program in the United States, and whereas the Red Ribbon was chosen as an awareness symbol commemorating the work of Enrique Kiki Carmen, a drug enforcement administrator agent who was murdered in the line of duty, and whereas the numerous problems associated with youth access, use, abuse, and addiction to alcohol, tobacco, prescription drug, cannabis, and other drugs have negatively affected individuals, families, and communities. And whereas substance abuse is harmful to youth brain development, can increase risky behaviors, mental health issues, and contribute to the development of adult health problems such as heart disease. And the Carson Initiative for Substance Abuse Awareness and Prevention Coalition recognizes the harms related to COVID-19, substance use, and mental health disorders. And whereas the Carson Initiative for Substance Abuse Awareness and Prevention Coalition encourages safe space, service, activities, and efforts for Carson youth. And whereas the Carson Initiative for Substance Abuse Awareness and Prevention Coalition sees the need to provide a fund for substance abuse intervention and treatment resources service to help the Carson community. And whereas the City of Carson is proud of the community members and staff who participated in the drug-free events and contestants in honor of Enrique at schools, parks, churches, businesses, and communities across the City of Carson for the past 16 years. And whereas the City of Carson supports youth, family, and community prevention efforts dealing with mental health, wellness, underage drinking, vaping, impaired driving, prescription drugs, safe disposal, and bullying prevention through education, availability of prevention resources, access for substance abuse intervention and treatment. I'm going to skip down to now, therefore, the mayor and city council and the citizens of Carson, California do hereby recognize October 23rd through the 29th, 2022 as the 16th annual Red Ribbon Week as a theme, celebrate life, live drug-free, and encourage all its citizens, businesses, schools, churches, and other agencies to demonstrate their commitment to a drug-free and underage drinking-free community by wearing red ribbons, buttons, and participating in drug-free activities. Paul, we are in your hands.
Thank you very much, Mayor Pro Tem Johnny Hilton and Mayor Lula Davis and the rest of the council members. On behalf of Transformations Care, I want to say we are honored to receive this proclamation from the City of Carson and its community leaders and members. And we look forward to continue to building relationships and working closer with our community leaders and members while we expand further east to better serve our brothers and sisters. We're an inpatient drug and alcohol detox and residential program that also provides outpatient dual diagnosis services. And we are looking to expand and add 50 to 100 beds by the end of 2023 for low-income, criminal justice served, LGBTQ, and additional special populations to help battle this disease. I just want to thank you all.
Thank you for accepting.
Thank you, Madam Mayor.
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Paul Dillenback from Transformations Care for what you do. I know NAMI is not on anymore. However, the drug and alcohol and substance abuse goes hand in hand with mental awareness, and that's something that a lot of our kids are going through now. So I think we need to work together and combine all these resources together so we can get back into the schools like we did years before And I think there is definitely a necessity. So thank you for what you do and also what NAMI does. And hopefully soon we can all get together and help out the youth so we can all go forward and go towards getting back to where we should be post-pandemic. So thank you.
Thank you. I agree with that 100%.
Yes.
And Madam Mayor, I'd like to also congratulate Paul and the great work that he and his organization does. I'm sure, Paul, you know Richard Biss. He's a Carson resident and a community activist with Red Ribbon Week. He puts it on every year in Carson, so I'm sure he just wasn't available tonight, but it's good to have you on as well.
Thank you.
And that's what the MPT was referring to when he said Richard. He meant Richard Biss. So great, Paul, great work, and please continue helping people. We appreciate that.
Thank you very much, Councilman.
Thank you very much for accepting this.
Thank you.